If you're interested in a career in environmental engineering and looking for a great way to learn what it takes to make it in the professional workforce, your local community college is an exciting and challenging place to start. Today, we're going to Bristol Community College, where they've been educating students in environmental engineering.
BCC, much like many community colleges, essentially has an open door policy. So if a student comes to us and they say they want to join our engineering technology program or our engineering transfer program, we will let them in.
We realize we need to get more high school students into and interested in engineering, keep them here, and get them out and graduated into the workforce. We do a lot of bringing students in from high school to our laboratories. What might we do with our flotation? And that becomes a real big push for them, because then they realize this is like any other college we've been to. So would you not do a wet mount like we did?
The group I'm in is using an open system.
It's extremely important for students to come in here with as strong a math and science background as they can.
On here, we've done kind of fused the Chevy Volt and a Honda fuel cell car into one little prototype. Pure electric through the batteries, and you won't be getting nearly as much of that through the fuel cell.
You're going to be using your math, you're going to be using your chemistry, you're going to be using your biology.
You put it on battery power, it's going to go right on the table.
Yeah, no, nice.
Hydrogen's the way to go. We do a lot of applied training connected with the academics. So when a student is dealing with math or dealing with science where they may have felt somewhat intimidated by that, we now pull it back together and we show them how we're using math or how we're using physics in the classroom with the hands-on activities.
We get the two horizontal motors.
This program here, you can design a part and then you can extrude it. You can draw the entire thing in three-dimensional form. This is a frame for an ROV, remotely operated vehicle. This is going to be going underwater. This frame is actually getting made by another student as we speak.
I feel that's vitally important, that people actually work with the equipment that they're going to be dealing with. And that's why I tried to, when we developed this lab here, I was told to come up with a state-of-the-art laboratory. People actually work with the same equipment they're going to be working on out in the field.
The idea is in every program, wherever possible, to make sure they have that hands-on experience to go along with the theory.
It's never too late. I mean, I'm here after 8 years from graduating my last liberal arts education, and I'm wanting to become an engineer. It's definitely a challenge.
We're very proud of our graduates and what they've added to our community.
Bristol Community College does change lives.
Wouldn't it be cool if all of our cars were hooked up to solar panels and hydrogen? While you're thinking about your new green ride, consider this. BCC is just one of 1,200 community colleges in the United States, and nearly every student in the country has a community college within driving distance of their home.